Stop wasting your time on ineffective home chores. Try these 10 smart hacks instead. Onions spoil quickly due to moisture, but this easy trick keeps them dry and fresh without a fridge. Get a paper bag or a sealable plastic bag. Place a few sheets of dry paper inside. Add baking soda to the paper and wrap it up. Add the onions, then seal the bag to reduce exposure to moisture. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. The paper will absorb excess moisture, preventing mold and sprouting. It naturally extends the shelf life of the onions. No need to refrigerate. The onions will still be crispy and flavorful. A little creativity goes a long way. Gather some unused wooden chopsticks and an empty plastic bottle. Use rubber bands to secure the chopsticks together. Then place the bottle in the middle. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's nice to know that we meet each other from all over the world. For extra stability, apply hot glue or strong adhesive around the bottle cap. Once dry, cut the rubber bands and remove the bottle. Now you have a cute and sturdy fruit basket. It's an eco-friendly way to repurpose plastic while adding a cozy touch to your kitchen. Want to watch recipes or video call your loved ones hands-free? Here's a super easy hack. Take a small paper clip and bend the handle slightly to create a tilted support. Clip a larger paper clip onto the smaller one for extra stability. Place your phone on the small clip's handle. Voila! It takes just seconds, and you'll have a compact phone stand perfect for watching videos, reading, or chatting without holding your phone. What's your favorite way to use your phone hands-free? Share in the comments below. Ever found your charger tangled in your bag or drawer? Try this simple trick to keep it neat and secure. No more mess or frustration. Take your charging cable and fold a small section near the plug to create a loop. Wrap the rest of the cable neatly around the charger. When you reach the end, simply tuck the loose end through the loop you made earlier. Pull gently to secure it. And just like that, your charger is neat, compact, and won't unravel in your bag. Easy, right? With just 2 common ingredients, you can make your own self-adhesive toilet cleaning bars that automatically release cleansing foam with every flush. Grate a bar of mildly scented soap into small flakes. Soap not only cleans, but also helps eliminate bacteria. Add 150 milliliters of floor cleaner to the soap flakes and mix well to combine the fragrance. Heat the mixture, stirring continuously until it fully dissolves. Pour it into a mold lined with plastic wrap and leave it overnight to solidify. Once hardened, cut it into small strips about 1 centimeter thick. Now just stick one of these cleaning bars to the inside of your toilet bowl. Each time you flush, it will release a gentle foam that cleans and deodorizes the bowl effortlessly. No more daily scrubbing, but your toilet will stay spotless and fresh all day long. Loose gloves can be frustrating. Here's how to keep them snug. Wear your gloves and wrap an elastic band around your wrist. Pull a part of the band up and hook it around one finger for extra grip. No more slipping gloves, just comfort and efficiency while cooking, cleaning, or gardening. Ladies, do you prefer reusable or disposable gloves for household tasks? Let's chat in the comments. Got stubborn burnt stains on your pans? Try this natural cleaning hack. Keep fresh orange peels, especially the ones with lots of essential oils. Use the inside of the peel to scrub the burnt areas. The citrus oils will help loosen the burnt residue naturally. After scrubbing, rinse with warm water and dish soap. Your pan will be clean and shiny without harsh chemicals. Love snacking but hate greasy fingers? Try this. Instead of reaching in, gently squeeze the bottom of the bag. The snacks will rise to the top as you eat. No more messy hands. This hack is perfect for movie nights or scrolling on your phone. Struggling with tissue boxes when they're nearly empty? Here's a fix. Flip the box upside down. You will see a cut at the bottom of the box. If there is no cut, make a small slit at the bottom of the box. Press gently to push the tissues up closer to the top. Now you can grab every last tissue with ease. Such a small trick, but so handy. If you love these little hacks, give this video a thumbs up. Tired of tomatoes going bad too fast? Here's an easy fix. Clean and dry the tomato stems. Cut a small piece of tape and seal the stem area tightly. Store in a cool, dry place. This helps retain moisture, prevents mold, and keeps tomatoes fresh longer. Thank you so much for watching, my dear ladies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical homemaking tips.